Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply coupon for Talabat order. The first thing I want you to do is launch your Talabat app and then go to the restaurant you want to apply the coupon for. I'll come here and do Domino's Pizza, and they have promotions going on, basically coupons right here. So if I click here, as you can see 35% off select items. Click here on view items, and if I use this one, let's say ultimate pepperoni pizza XL, if I tap on this one, it will go ahead and allow me to add this item to my cart. So I'll come to the bottom right, add item. Of course, you can choose the quantity. I'll add this item. I'll click here on start. And then what you do is you just come here to view cart. The coupons get automatically added. So if I come down here, as you can see, we have our discount. So here is the coupon that has been added. And if you have voucher codes, you can add those here as well on top of that, and then tap here on submit. Then you can proceed to checkout. That is how to apply coupon for Talabat order.